Today, we are going to see a couple of Excel utilities that allow us to fill in the background of the cells with a texture other than white. And once again, this can be useful in order to highlight a particular data at a given moment. For example, let's see how to actually use this option. Firstly, I will have to go and select some cells, and right after, I have to click on this tab in order to access the following dialog box. In here, we can see we have options for changing both the fill and the colors. So far it is super easy to use. And the thing here is that we not only can play with different colors, but also we can apply textures. For example, let's see this dotted one. We had several in the palette, and we can select any of them. In this particular case, the one selected is going to cross out or blur slightly the information. These kinds of textures are great whenever we want to make certain data appear in less detail. Well, with today's video we are starting to see the following pattern. In Excel, we do have many options to showcase data in many different ways. This is very useful when it comes to making the look of a spreadsheet fit our needs. Hopefully, you all find these videos showcasing all the different customizable tools useful. See you all in the next one.